Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to simply open the Excel, of course, and create a blank workbook or use your existing one where you are working and want to add a drop-down list. So first of all, we will need the first list, the first sheet where we will type something like drinks and on the first cell, and in the second cell we will choose the drink from the drop down list. So to create this drop down list we will need the second sheet. So create a second sheet clicking on this little plus icon here, and now we will need to type the words that we want to be in this drop down list. So for example, it will be tea, coffee, and milkshake. So we will choose the drinks from this list. We can make this list as long as possible, but I'll just stop at the three items here. So now go back to the first sheet and select the cell where you want the drop down list to be. So now select the cell and go to data right here and choose data validation. So click on it, and now here in the allow section we will choose list and source. Click on this little icon right here and go to your second sheet where your drop down items are listed, and select the items like this and click on the enter button. And as you can see, our source is selected, and when we click OK, we will have this little arrow. It means the drop down list is successfully created. So I'll choose milkshake. So if you want to add some items in this list, you don't have to make this from the scratch. You can always just simply select something in the middle, then right click and click on insert button. So it will insert a blank cell, and here we can type everything we want. So for example, soda. And if we go back to the sheet 1 and click on this little arrow, we will see soda right here. Moreover, if you don't want to add the second sheet for your drop down list, you can always just simply choose the cell where you want the drop down list to be, click on data validation right here, choose here list, and just type the words separated by the semicolon. So something like that, tea semicolon, milk semicolon, I don't know, milkshake, etc. And then click OK, and it will also create a drop down list looking like this. And that is how you can create a drop down list in Excel. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.